Rota Kulai Paiba Singna Chatharakiba Embusta Lake Kidraba Tangkul Naga Mecha Manigi Mafamda Candlelight Vigil Pangtokri Naga Welfare Manipur University na Sinduna Manipur University da Naga Mahiroi Singna Sarugyaduna Candlelight Vigil Adu Pangtoktuna Rally Amasu Chatki.
May I take this opportunity to share a few words that dear youths, dear students, dear youths of today's or this generation, please wake up and stand, fight for the justice. Today we know everything. We become the indigenous people of this land become the minority and the victims from the different angles. So I would like to request to all the youths, to all the students to stand up for the justice, to fight for the justice. It is the right time to unite together for the future. Otherwise, if we cannot unite today, we have no future. Our indigenous people will be lost in the days to come. And with the support of the external force, today our land, today our society becomes, threats, demographic threats, and we are living in the injustice. So, through this accident, let us unite together and let us wake up. And change we need. So let us stand and shout, and let us give the pressure to the state government and the central government that the state government should not remain silent for such terrorist act. And it should not be repeated in our state land, in our land. Because the ancestral land is given by our mighty God. And the land is our indigenous people, not from the externals, not from the others community. So let us stand and fight together for the indigenous people of this